Somehow it happened. I allowed the same things that gave me peace to be the same things that ruined everything I had. I lost.
I said I loved you, you couldn't stay. Wanted to love you anyway. Oh no, no. And I could see that I was blinded. How could we be reminded of what time was to us when I can't even see what lies ahead? 'Cause I'm caught in the silence, waiting for your sound. There's nothing but darkness, and I can't take another round. I don't wanna fuss, I just wish you missed me. No, I don't wanna touch, and you're not gonna convince me. No.
It wasn't beneath me to crash into waves of uncertainty just to feel something. Holding my shallow breath and plastering smiles on my cracked mouth just to save some face. Hiding from truths, building walls of chaos.
Empty prayers, spoken layers. Maybe I should think for once or twice, or live another life. If you're coming, I'll wait here. Keep on running, I'll keep shedding tears, but who cares? Clouded by the clouds on the ground. 'Cause I'm caught in the silence, waiting for a sound. There's nothing but darkness, and I can't take no more, no other sound than this here.
Baby, home? Got you something. How you holding up?
I think we need a break.
Do we?
I just feel like I'm losing something. I'm missing something. Something's just not right with me. And I feel like it's a lot. And
You hungry?
I don't want to drag you down into what I'm feeling.
You hungry?
No, I'm not hungry. I'm just like emotionally drained and confused right now. I'm kind of tired. Flustered.
Yo. It ain't even that serious. You do what you have to do and figure that out, and I'll be here. All right? Now, seriously, you need to eat something. You look rough, all right? Like rough. Like ain't got no loving in a couple weeks, rough. So get some of this food.
My
Hopefully
life
it
will
inspire you.
change when I choose. Nothing will change until I choose. I choose to let my discovery be my remedy.
I'm good.
I'm reclaiming what's mine, and it's about damn time.
She knows exactly what she wants, and she knows exactly what she deserves, and it makes them boys nervous. She knows exactly what she needs, and she knows exactly what she's worth, because she's running with a purpose. And she likes what she likes, and she could put it all on you, baby, if you bout that life, because you don't got time to choose it. I know you got it, yeah, but relax, keep calm, be cool, and just be smooth, cause you know she ain't gon' make it easy, cause you got a lot to prove, ayy. Since she a real lady, you never have to worry about a real thing lately. It's all in your mind, but take your time, hey, and make sure that your mind is right, yeah. You know that girl can make everything you got a little better. She can change your world for the better, but only if you let her, yeah. Cause she likes, hey, what she likes, hey, and she could put it all on you, baby. If you bout that life, you ain't gotta think twice. Just let her put it all on you. I know you got it, hey, but relax, keep calm, be cool, and just be smooth, cause you know she ain't gon' make it easy, cause you got a lot to prove, hey. She talk all this, she talk all that, but you best believe that she can really back it back, baby. What you thought this was? She do this just because shawty can do whatever she wants, baby. But don't be scared. She could take good care of you. If you dare, better be prepared for her to pour her magic all on you. I know you got it, eh? But relax, keep calm, be cool, and just be smooth, cause you know she ain't gon' make it easy, cause you got a lot to prove, eh? Cause she likes, hey, but she likes, hey, and she could put it all on you, baby. If you bout that life, you ain't gotta think twice. Just let her put it all on you. I know you got it, eh? But relax, keep calm, be cool, and just be smooth, cause you know she ain't gon' make it easy, cause you got a lot to prove, eh? Cause she likes, hey, what she likes, hey, and she could put it all on you, baby. If you bout that life, you ain't gotta think twice. Just let her put it all on you. I know you got it, eh? But relax, keep calm and be cool, and just be smooth, cause you know she ain't gon' make it easy, cause you got a lot to prove, yeah.
Hey.
Hey. I got you something.
You hungry?
You're doing amazing, actually. I'm not not even gonna lie to you. You're like,
she knows exactly what she wants, and she knows exactly what she deserves, and it makes them boys nervous. She knows exactly what she needs, and she knows exactly what she's worth, because she's running with a purpose. And she likes what she likes, and she could put